You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. On this vehicle, the battery is located under the mat on the passenger side. Remove the passenger side floor mat, then lift the battery compartment access hatch. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. Remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulb, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Finally, do the same with the negative terminal. Close the access flap. Reposition the floor mat. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.